Here we are in Monroe, New Jersey, and we have a situation on the roof. Here, we have a brand new roof, brand new gutters, and a brand new squirrel access. You see, the fascia doesn't come up high enough, and it's not flashed in. Easy work for a squirrel to get in. So, I'm going to set up a positive set here, which will cover the access point. So if the squirrel comes out, it'll be in the trap. I'm also going to set up a couple of traps on the outside on the roof. In case the squirrel is not in the fascia and tries to come back in, it'll get in the trap. Alright, well, as you can see, I have the positive set right here in front of the access point, and some hardwire cloth around it, securing it in place. And right next to it are the exterior traps. So no matter what, we're going to get our squirrel. And that's how it's done.